Hello everyone. Today we will discuss together the concept of being an introvert and extrovert, the pros and cons. Pros of being an extrovert. First, social ease. Extroverts tend to feel more comfortable in social situations, easily engaging with others and making new connections. Second, energy from the social interactions. Extroverts often gain energy from being around people, which can be energizing and fulfilling. Third, strong communication skills. Extroverts tend to excel in verbal communication, expressing themselves confidently and assertively. Fourth, wide social network. Extroverts typically have a larger circle of friends and acquaintances, providing opportunities for social support and diverse social life. Fifth, adaptability in group settings. Extroverts thrive in group settings, often taking leadership roles and contributing to team dynamics. Now we're going to discuss about cons in being an extrovert. First, being an extrovert, overstimulation. Extroverts might feel drained and overwhelmed if they don't have enough social interaction or if they are constantly surrounded by people. Second, impulsivity. Being outgoing and sociable can sometimes lead to impulsive decision making or without considering the consequences. Third, difficulty in solitude. Extroverts might find it challenging to spend long periods alone as they tend to seek external stimulations for energy and fulfillment. Fourth, external validation. Extroverts may rely more on external feedback and validation from others, potentially affecting their self-esteem and self-worth. Fifth, less reflection time. The inclination to be constantly engaged in social activities can leave less time for introspection and deep self-reflection. Pros of being introvert. First, inner reflection. Introverts can have rich internal world, enjoying solitary activities and spending time reflecting on their thoughts and feelings. Second, deep connections. Introverts typically value quality over quantity in relationships, forming deep and meaningful connections with a smaller circle of close friends. Third, independent thinking. Introverts often have well-developed inner voices and thought processes, enabling them to analyze situations and generate unique ideas. Fourth, focus and concentration. Introverts tend to excel in tasks that require focus and concentration, as they are less easily distracted by external stimuli. Fifth, self-sufficiency. Introverts can find contentment in solitude and self-reliance, making them more independent in their pursuits. cons of being an introvert. First, social energy drain. Introverts may find social interactions exhausting and need ample time alone to recharge their energy. Second, difficulty with small tasks. Engaging in casual, surface level conversations might feel uncomfortable and unfulfilling for introverts. Third, limited networking opportunities. Due to smaller social circle, introverts may have fewer opportunities to network and make connections in certain profession and social settings. Fourth, perceived as a reserved or distant. Introverts may be misunderstood as being aloof or uninterested due to their quieter or more reserved demeanor. Fifth, pressure to conform. In a society that often values extroverted traits, introverts may feel pressure to adapt to more outgoing behaviors, potentially leading to feelings of being misunderstood or not fitting in. It is important to note that these are general observations and individuals can exhibit a mix of introverted and extroverted tendencies. Everyone is unique and there are advantages and challenges for both personality traits. Embracing and understand one's own temperament can help in navigating social interactions, relationships, and personal growth. So, study deeper on these two concepts and balance yourself with the traits. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give it a thumb up, like to support my channel. Thank you so much.